Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics, and today I have a quick tip for you. I'm actually going to use one of our new stamp sets called Sweet as a Peach. This actually comes with the stamps and it also has matching dies. But today I want to discuss how they are doing our new stamp cases that are polymer. They have printed all the images of all the stamps instead of getting, which you still do get, there's a couple pieces of plastic that are usually in the case. And they're like this. So the stamps are put on it and then this plastic was over it. Well, now you can put your stamps right onto these images. But if you notice, if you see that up close, all the writing is backwards. So a way to remedy this is get your Stamparatus out. And let me show you what I've done. I took the Stamparatus. Let's get rid of this. And I put the images in here. And then I put all my stamps on these images, okay? And then when I reached over, I picked up, now I took this out of the case, so let me show you. I just kind of laid it in here. This is a nice waxy kind of paper, so they're not gonna stick hard on them. But I placed all of my stamps on this image and just put them, just like they were, on the plastic on top of the stamped image. And then I carefully just peel this off. And then I cut a piece that is the same size as the side. Now you can stamp right on here if you want. I actually cut a piece of our white paper, our basic white, and I made it the size of this side so that when I see this, I can look over here and I'm going to see it right side up. So I'm going to slip that in there. And I'm just going to use some soft succulent. I haven't tried this yet in this color, so let's see if it's going to be dark enough. It may not be, and maybe I'll just still use Memento, but I'm just going to use this color because I just want to be able to read what the sayings are and know what's in this stamp set. So the good thing about the Stamparatus is it's a positioning tool, so you can stamp it, and if it didn't come out dark enough, let me get one of my magnets off the back. So I can just hold it down here. Oops, I just got some ink on there. Okay, and yeah, it's not gonna get in the way. And then I'm just gonna press this down real good. And the good thing about this positioning tool is if I lift up and I didn't get a good stamp, I can re-ink it. And when you wanna re-ink, you always usually wanna take your stamp case and just put it under this hinge. That way it doesn't make a lot of tension on the edge there. So let's go ahead and try it again. Let's see how this does. So we want to get the words real well. I don't really mind about the peaches, but at least the words. I'm gonna pick this back up. And I still have it pretty light over here, so I'm going to concentrate on here and here. And let's get my case under there better. And the same thing down here. And this Stamparatus is great if you have arthritis and you have a hard time holding your stamps, or if you're a little shaky and you wobble. This gives you a nice even stamp, and you can do it as many times as you want until you get as dark as you want. All right, let's see if third time's the charm. I still didn't get it down there, so I'm going to move my magnet up here because maybe it is making a little bit of bulk. And I'm going to just try again because these are brand new stamps too, and I haven't really conditioned them. All right, let's get those two sayings a little better. I think that's better. Okay, and then what I did was I took my case, I slipped this back in, okay, and then this side, I'm just going to slip this in front. Now, if you would have stamped on this, you wouldn't need to do that, but I like to pull it in and out because sometimes I have to sell off my stamps and I didn't want to have it permanent. But see what I mean? Now I can see it's, oh, that's sweet as a peach, and I can pick that stamp off. Thanks so much, happy birthday. I can actually read them now, where before here I had to like dissect, what does that mean backwards? So That's just a tip for today, and I hope you have a Stamparatus. If you don't, you can order with me at StampFUNatics.com. Use my current host code, and I'll send you out a thank you. Thanks, and have a great day.